keeps ticking like a metronome, and my thoughts keep telling me to get me home, but my balls keep telling me.
2011 Haro 400.2 frame, 20.5-inch top tube, stock Haro cranks with Odyssey twisted PCs, stock sprocket painted KMC SL cool chain, stock Haro pivitol seat with a stolen Thermalite seat post, Animal TWW tires, 20.0 in the back, 20.20 in the front. Back rim is an Alionation black sheep with a stock Haro hub, and in the front is an Alionation plain black rim with a stock Haro hub. Cholition Holy Cross bars and ODI long necks with ODI barons. Stock stem, stock integrated headset, and stock mid-bottom bracket, and stock forks. And that's it.